Do you know only DevOps practice is not enough to deploy a secure web application? Do you know having only DevOps skill might not be sufficient to secure your dream job? Because more than 70% companies want from you something essential along with your DevOps skill. Do you want to know what is that something essential skill which companies are expecting from you? Can you guess it? I'm talking about security. I'm talking about DevSecOps. So hey guys, this is Rupesh Saini. I am part of the Grass team and today I'm gonna tell you what is DevSecOps. What are the demands of DevSecOps engineer in the current market and how you can start or upskill your career as a DevSecOps engineer. So let's get into it. जैसे DevOps 2 वर्ड के कॉम्बिनेशन से बना है, ऐसे ही DevSecOps 3 वर्ड के कॉम्बिनेशन से बना है. Dev means development, Sec means security, Ops means operations. DevSecOps. First of all, let's come to the definition. What is DevSecOps? Well, in simple terms, DevSecOps refers to the integration of security practices and tooling into DevOps lifecycle. इसको थोड़ा और डिटेल में समझते हैं. जैसे DevOps में हम सबसे पहले प्लानिंग करते हैं, फिर कोडिंग जिसमें कोड डेवलप किया जाता है, फिर उस कोड की टेस्टिंग होती है, फिर Q&A होता है और फिर एप्लीकेशन का एक नया रिलीज निकलता है. यहां तक डेवलपमेंट फेज का काम कंप्लीट हो जाता है. अब उस लेटेस्ट कोड को प्रोडक्शन सर्वर्स पे डिप्लॉय किया जाता है, फिर उसकी मॉनिटरिंग होती है, फिर मेंटेनेंस होता है जिसमें ये मेक श्योर किया जाता है कि एप्लीकेशन यूजर्स के लिए 24/7 अवेलेबल रहे विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम. ये तो बात हुई डेवऑप्स की. अब इसी डेवऑप्स लाइफ साइकिल के हर एक फेज में जब हम सिक्योरिटी इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं तो ये बन जाता है DevSecOps. बिकॉज अगर सिक्योरिटी इंप्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो हम कैसे एक सिक्योर एप्लीकेशन डेवलप एंड डिप्लॉय कर पाएंगे. यूजर्स की प्राइवेसी एंड डेटा सिक्योरिटी ही तो आज के टाइम पे हर कंपनी की फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है. इसीलिए मार्केट में सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर्स की बहुत डिमांड है. डेवऑप्स स्किल्स से आप एक एफिशिएंट मैनर में एप्लीकेशन तो डिप्लॉय कर लेंगे, बट विदाउट सिक्योरिटी यू विल गेट सम कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. हाई कॉस्ट, हाई रिस्क, low speed and every time new deployment. That's the reason you cannot fulfill company's requirement if you are having only DevOps skills. That's why we are talking about DevSecOps. अगर आपके पास DevOps के साथ साथ security implementation skill भी है, you will be on the top priority of any company. So, if you want to start your career as a DevSecOps engineer, or if you are already working as a DevOps engineer, but you want to upscale your career or 3x your salary package, then we have exclusive DevSecOps course for you, जिसमें you will get complete industry relevant training and more than 10 production grade projects. इसको complete करने के बाद you can start your career as a DevSecOps engineer or you can 3x your salary package from your current package. Now let's talk about what will be the topics which we cover in this course. First of all, we will start with the introduction part, जिसमें हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि what are the challenges in DevOps lifecycle without security, and what are the tools and practices which we will implement in DevOps lifecycle. In next topic, we will cover the physical security practices, how we can secure our operating system, application, and its data from the physical attacks. So no one can access our data even if they steal our hard disk or even if they got physical access to our servers. In next topic, we will cover the system security part, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे AAA concept, which is authentication, authorization and auditing, detailed guide of SE Linux, DAC versus Mac security, OpenSCAP and many more tools. In next topic, we will cover the network security part. In this part, we will discuss what is encryption, symmetric versus asymmetric encryption, firewall, SSL TLS security, etc. In next topic, we will discuss DevOps pipeline security part. In this part, we will discuss how we can create and implement secure CI/CD pipeline using unit testing, securing Docker daemon, mutation test, image scanning using Trivy, SonarQube Practical, Open Policy Agent, and etc. In next topic, we will cover complete Kubernetes security, जिसमें हम KubeBench, CIS benchmarking, MTLS, Falco and KubeScan जैसे tools and techniques सीखेंगे। In next topic, we will cover HashiCorp Vault in detail and how we can implement HashiCorp Vault in our production environment. Finally, we will cover some extra topics related to security, which will give final touch to our SecOps skills. So ये था हमारा DevSecOps course content. If you want to join this exclusive DevSecOps program, you can visit our website grass.com or you can give us a call on this number. Thanks for watching.